An antelope is a mammal. An antelope is a plant eater. Antelopes are part of the sheep and goat family.
The Arctic fox, also known as the white fox. Foxes are mammals that look like small bush dogs. Juna baboon is 50 centimeters. Baboons are found in Africa, south of the Sahara, and in Iberia. The largest baboons may grow up to 40 inches in length.
Go.
Unlike the wolf, the coyote's range has expanded in the wake of a human civilization. The coyote's scientific name is Canis latrans.
They range in size from 1.2 meters, 4 feet, and 90 pounds. Dolphins look like big fishes, but they are actually mammals.
Eels are an order of fish which consist of 4 suborders. Eels are fishes that look like snakes. There are hundreds of different species or types of eels.
Elephants are the herbivores and can be found in different habitats, including savannas, forests, deserts, and marshes. Elephants are the largest living animal.
They stand 5 to 6 feet. They grow. The giraffe is the tallest animal. They are 5.5 meters high.
Male iguanas, as other male members of the order Squamata, have 3 headbangs. Iguanas as reptiles that belong to a large family of lizards. They are often seen sunning themselves on branches overhanging water. Okay. Kangaroos are endemic to Australia. The kangaroo is the marsupial. Kangaroos are animals that get around by hopping on their back legs. There are more than 50 species or types of kangaroos.
The leopard is the smallest of the 4 big cats. The leopards are found in forests, deserts, mountains, and rocky places.
Lions are the one of 4 cats. Their loud roar is among the most terrifying.
Lobsters have long muscular eyes. The crust lobster lives in major seas. Clawed lobster is a slipper lobster does not have any claws at all.
Matana rays are large eagle rays belonging to the genus Matana. A ray is a fish with flattened body and a large wing-like fins. Matana rays are also called devil ray. Matana rays are related to sharks and skates. An Atlantic matana is a well-known species.
Polar bears move across snow, ice, and open water for hunting the seals, which make up most of its diet. In the early 2000s, there were 20,000 to 25,000 polar bears in the wild. Scientists predict that those numbers will drop sharply over the next 40 years.
They shed the colorful outer parts of their bills after the breeding season, leaving a smaller and smaller beak. The eggs hatch on the land. Puffins are diving birds that are distinguished by their large, brightly colored triangular beaks.
The reindeer is also known as caribou. Reindeer are mammals of the deer family along with moose and elk.
A turtle is a reptile. There are about 250 species or types of turtles.
A whale is a mammal. Whales may look like fishes. They breathe air and produce smoke.